Hey, doing another quick review. Today I'm going over this flashlight, which is made by Nebo, I think is how you pronounce it. Got this last year as a Christmas gift. Was already able to use it for tracking at nighttime. I would highly recommend this thing because they are so freaking bright. At nighttime or in the dark, it lights up everything. If you're tracking, if you're a hunter, it brings a whole nother level of being able to track. So highly recommend specifically for that use, or if you're outside at night doing a lot of work, would highly recommend this thing. It's got three different levels of brightness on it. It's got one, a two, and then the three. Can't really see that well because of the daylight right now and the lighting, but it's awesome. There's your power button right there. So you just click once on, twice, three times, and then again to turn off. So it's great. It's got some weight to it, so it's not the flimsy. It's almost like a steel is what it feels like. I don't know if that's actually what it's made of, but yeah, heavy duty. So even dropping it, whatever, you don't have to worry about it. And the best feature of all, other than it being extremely bright, and I really love it, it's got a charging port on here as well. It's rechargeable battery. So it's got that little flap that you peel up on it. And then it's got a USB, regular USB charge port on it, or the USB-C. So does not take super long to charge up. So that's also a great feature. But yeah, so hopefully if you're looking, maybe wanting to make a change, or if you're just looking for information, hopefully this video has helped you out. And in my experience, I would recommend these. So thank you for watching. I'll see you later.